In this algorithm, the problem is quite simple. It says a school conducts a maths test 4 times in a semester, and in order to give benefit to a student, it says it wants to consider the best 3 out of 4 and get the average and submit it to the board exams. So suppose you have a student who out of 50 gets 10, 30, 20 and 35. I should not be considering 10. I should say 30 plus 20 plus 35. Looking at it, it looks very easy, and it is actually very easy. We need to somehow get rid of 10. So we have done something similar to this before. It is just that you need to relate the logic which is done before to what we are going to do now. What I can do is I can find the smallest of these 4 numbers, and then what I can do is I can add all of these numbers and then subtract the smallest. So when I subtract the smallest, automatically I will get rid of 10 and then I will get the best of 3. So I have variables a, b, c, d which store the marks of test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4 respectively. Total is going to have the sum of a plus b plus c plus d, and average is going to be total upon 3. Small is going to store the smallest of these 4 numbers. So user is first going to enter the value of a, b, c and d. Initially I am going to process, or every step I am going to process only one number. So I am assuming a is the smallest. Now if the second number happens to be less than a, then what I am going to do here is I am going to say b is the smallest. So the value of small will change to the value of b. Then it is also possible that the next number c may be lesser than small. Then what I am doing is, if c is less than small, I am saying the new value of small is c. And lastly, what I am trying to do here is, if d is less than small, then I am saying my small is the value of d. Now it is easy. Now what I am going to do is, next step I am going to say total is a plus b plus c plus d minus small. And then I am going to say average is total upon 3, and then I am going to print the average of those 3. So this is how that logic looks. Total is going to be a plus b plus c plus d minus small. Average is total upon 3, and then you're going to get the result. Now in order to get a feel of how this particular program really works, we need to do the test case. So my values of a, b, c, d in step number 2 are going to be 10, 30, 20 and 35. So initially a is the smallest, so small will be 10. Then I am checking, is 30 less than 10? It is false. Step number 5. Is 20 less than 10? This is also false. Then is 35 less than 10? This is also false. Then total is 10 plus 30 plus 20 plus 35. Okay, this is 85 plus 10, 95. Then 95 minus 10 is again 85. So total will be 85. 85 divided by 3, it's going to come somewhere around 28. So 85 divided by 3 is 28.33. Small is 10. Now what I'm going to do is, best 3 of average is going to be 28.33 out of 50. So I hope this really helps you understand how you calculate the top 3 out of 4. We have done so many different kind of problems. You just go through them repeatedly to understand how the logical thinking works. Just by repeating their videos, your thoughts will develop, and most importantly after that, try to take some problem and make an effort to spend half an hour, 1 hour to find solution to it. Draw variables, play around with the numbers, and it's very easy. You just have to be determined, persistent, and you will surely pick up logic. Logic is the most easiest and most fun aspect of learning programming.